Today we're making homemade sushi. Also, Matt doesn't really like to be on video, so don't mind him. Like, he just doesn't like it, but he does what makes me happy, right? Yeah. So he's volunteering to be on camera. So if he looks like he's pissed at the world, he's not. Promise. Is there my water in here?
Yeah. What?
Oh, for some reason I thought it was gonna be just like regular water.
No, it's fucking water.
Oh, take a picture of this too. Like all the ingredients and stuff.
Yeah,
I think we have to wet this.
Oh.
This is why I started like my social. Hold on, I need to take a picture of these ingredients. This is why I started social media and stuff, because anytime I see something pretty, I'm like, I need to take a picture or I need to set it up. So give me a sec. Cheers. So basically, we're making sushi. We have shrimp. We have Matt's specialty.
Spicy crab.
Crab with what?
Mayo and I put a little bit of sriracha stuff.
Sriracha. We have salmon, avocado, cukes, and we have sticky rice, but most importantly we have obviously the papers, and then we have this. This is our favorite thing. Like, we actually live by this, right?
Yeah.
And then Matt wanted some of these things. We do not have, the only thing we do not have is sesame seeds, which is like supposedly really good for sushi, but it's the first time. It might not even look like it needs to look like.
He's gonna look like spring rolls.
I'm gonna make sushi. Matt's gonna make spring rolls.
I think it's gonna end up looking like spring rolls. You just soak it until it's not. Just leave it in there for like
Sharp knives are in the dishwasher, so we're using a butter knife to.
Do you want to do anything with this?
Yeah, I'm gonna use it for my sushi.
You know what, like, I'm just gonna cucumber.
Matt is an engineer, chemical engineer. I don't actually know what he does for work. Don't ask him, because
It's not that complicated.
he will be going on and on and on about it, and it's not that deep most of the time. So that's that. Okay, so I think that's enough shrimp. Spring roll is like the fried stuff, like an egg roll. Spring roll is the egg roll.
Not
That's
fried.
not a spring roll.
That's a spring roll.
No, this is a spring roll.
No, that's an egg roll.
No, that's the veggie one.
Oh.
Egg spring roll is like the.
You can use all of shrimp?
No, you can have some.
Cool. I'll load up.
He doesn't really like to be on social media. Like, his Instagram hashtag is literally like, username is like egg Matt. It's like he has like 13 followers on it. So
This can be.
Sophie's asleep, if you guys want to know. She's not part of this crew. Well, she's technically with us. Not part of it though.
Yeah, this.
Again.
Not. It's too sticky.
It's supposed to be sticky because that's how it wraps around itself.
Yeah, but this is too sticky.
Okay. I do corporate girly stuff. I'm not gonna be saying the name of the company just because nobody needs to know that, right?
Yeah.
And we have Sophie. Sophie's one. She's literally the best person in the whole entire world, right? She's literally the funniest human being to ever walk the earth. I stand by that. Do you?
Yeah.
We got married 3 years ago. We bought 2 houses in a span of those 3 years. First one was not a good purchase, but we learned from it. And we just bought a first car. Like, we've never bought a car together. Should I put spicy on the inside of this, or so there's no problem? I'm gonna do regular mayo, maybe.
One try with seaweed. I don't like seaweed.
Some of yours have seaweed when you order them, just so you know.
I know, but oh wow. You want some water on the edge of it so it sticks? Like
Special stuff for sushi when you just have big hands.
there you go.
Call me a sushi artist.
Sandwich artist.
Imagine the burritos I could make.
Mm.
We gotta let them
That's
sit
really
before we
good.
cut it. Are you jealous?
Make more. What does yours
I
have
get
in it?
this. Mwah.
Does yours have this stuff in it?
No, this is
No.
just shrimp.
Just shrimp.
This. And I'm gonna make more.
Can you make some of
This guy.
this?
Our sushi's ready, and it actually turned out pretty good. Matt already had like some of his. I'm gonna show you mine. Oh. Did it not focus? No, it's focusing on your face. Ooh, so yum. I think I'm gonna go into sushi business. So good. That's all. Bye. This is my big baby. You look so big first. Oh. This is my big baby. Like, look at him.
Come on.
He's so cute. Anybody wants a big baby dog? Dude. What's the favorite flavor of sauce? Oh my gosh, my camera. This one is so good. Matt is working from home today. We're both rocking the same shirt. But he's been watching Sophie because our nanny canceled all day, so he's been the nanny for the day. Except he doesn't get paid. And right now he's really working. What is Sophie doing, you shall ask? For once, she's not crying, actually. Yeah. We both look like we work at the same place for now.
I can run some spreadsheets.
Should have gotten ice any other time.
Yeah.
It's cold in Texas. We had a snow day today. I'm drinking. I was gonna say it's a Celsius again. An Alani. Matt is drinking. Just one. Matt just went potty in the background. Cheers. It has snow. Oh, what's different? Hey, Sophia, look. Is it snowing? It's snowing. Did it snow in Texas? No. Hey, Sophie, look. It's snowing. Wow. Oh. Do you want to go see Mama? Yeah. Look. Don't touch the snow with your hands. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be. Do you see all this snow here? Yeah. Look. Ooh. Aren't you cold? Brr. Brr. Brr.
Hi. Hi, cold.
You're cold. Do you like snow?
Hi.
Do you like snow? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Do you like snow?
No.
No.
Monkey.
We're going to get a starter from Katya. Hi, Katya. Matt does not like to be in the camera, so we're gonna.
Right.
We're gonna put him. Sophie's watching little Toon Toons because she's a little menace in the car. We're gonna pick up starters so I can start baking bread. Are you excited?
Oh, that's open.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, Matt got crackers and he's not sharing with me, so
Want some?
yes.
Kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. It's so cool. I'm getting dizzy from this car. The roads here are so bumpy. I'm getting dizzy from the car.
Just looking at a screen.
Huh?
Because you're looking at a screen.
I'm looking at the road.
No, you're looking at a screen.
Whoa. Where? Hi. Hi, Copper. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi. Hi. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi. With my crappy voice.
What you doing?
Mama.
Mama? That's a workout.
Mama. 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 Mama.
Mama?
Hey, Sophie, can you say cheese? How big is Sophie?
Big, small. Too small.
Climb, 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 and lay down. Lay down. Good job. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's okay. And slow.
Hello, Sophie. How are you?
Go to bed soon? No?
Birds looking at me. I see ya. Looking at me. I see ya. Horse. What's that? Ribbit. What does that say? No. A dog.
Hi, Dada.
Hi.
Tired?
No.
And they're back. Say bye-bye. Do you like your clothes? Wow.
Birthday.
Dear Dada, happy birthday to you. Yay! Oh. Oh. There it is. I forgot to record an outro. Am I saying that right? Isn't it outro? Outro for that video. Sophie is asleep. Percy's also asleep. And Matt is eating cookies. Are they good? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Like an 8. They're really good.
Are these the best cookies you've ever made, actually?
Whoever made them must be super hot.
You are hot.
Thanks.
Alright, guys. See you on our next little adventure. If you want to follow along, please follow Instagram. That's it. Bye.